Hello everyone, welcome to Bagsor Chess. Today I will explain 5 common chess mistakes beginners make and how to fix them. Are you a beginner in chess? These 5 mistakes are stopping you from winning. Not controlling the center. Many beginners ignore the center. The center is very important in chess. Try to control the center with pawns like e4 and d4. Moving the same piece again and again. This wastes time. Your opponent develops faster. Develop each piece one time in the opening. Bringing the queen out too early. The queen gets attacked and you lose tempo. Develop knights and bishops before the queen. Not castling early. Your king is unsafe in the center. Castle early to protect your king. Hanging pieces. Always check if your piece is safe. Before every move, ask, is my piece protected? In the next video, I'll show the best chess opening for beginners. Subscribe to Bagsor Chess.